In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add FAQ in WordPress Elementor. First thing you need to do is to have or type in the actual website of Elementor, log in or create an account. Now, onto this case, let's head over right here to our WordPress.com website. You can click on the Get Started right here if you do not have an account yet. But if you already have one, head over and click on this login right here in order to create your new account. Now, from in here, you can actually create or integrate the WordPress and Elementor together. Now, this is my actual Elementor page open on WordPress. So in order to add FAQ, I actually recommend you to search in here for specific widgets that actually enable that. So as you can see, we all don't have here on the elements on the Elementor. So what you can do is we can head over to Common Ninja, click on this create widget, click onto this search and search in here for FAQ. You can see this right here, so click on this create option that we can see. And this will open this FAQ editor that we wish to use. So in here you can see some questions as well as some answers to that question. So you can change the actual layout that we have right here. You can add some more questions. You can change the answer to that particular question right here if you want. You can add some more or you can also delete some as well. So you can change its layout for the basic. You can make it advanced. You can change its actual layout as well as everything that has been included right here. You can change its designs as well, change its skin. For example, I'll head over and use this. Click on this publish option and save the widget. Then copy the code that it will provide. Head back to your Elementor. And then for this one, search in here for HTML. And then add that right here. Into this part, just input or paste right here the content that we have. And then just wait for this to load. And you should be able to see in here the FAQ that we have created from Command Ninja. And this will be integrated into this part. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.